Hey there, it's Allison from Perusall. If you've been adding comments on course content, you're ready to level up to customize comments. Let's check it out. First up, we have formatting. You can easily bold, italicize, or change the color of your text to help it pop. Just use the icons here. You can also create bulleted or numbered lists to organize your thoughts. Insert mathematical expressions using latex code, and if you're typing in a language that reads right to left, you can easily switch text direction. And that's just the beginning. If you want to quote another student, you can highlight their comment by clicking "Quote this in my reply." This is also helpful when a conversation thread gets long and you want to highlight a comment that may have gotten lost in the replies. Want to add a little personality? Use the emoji or GIF icons to enhance your tone or react quickly, especially when words alone don't quite capture what you mean. Speaking of visuals, you can also embed images, videos, or links to other resources that are not part of Perusall's material. This is great to use if you are comparing the assigned material to another source or providing deeper research on an assignment. Try using the poll feature to collect opinions from your classmates and spark discussion. Tagging someone is another great way to keep the conversation going. Use the @ symbol, then find them in the drop-down menu. And that's it. Just getting started with comments? Check out our video here. Or click our logo to see more of what Perusall has to offer.